Hello, today, continuing from the last video, we will be taking a look at the script that dynamically changes the content of a text strip. Because the metadata is different between frames. So, to override metadata, we need to able to add a text on the screen that changes for each frame. When it comes to the text strip in Blender, we can do anything we want onto the text strip. We can change the size, font, color, location, and everything you want to change. But except the text. Usually, something like predefined macro is used for this, but Blender does not provide such a thing for the text strip. So, all I want for this is to change the content of the text strip dynamically. If we can do this, it will all work well. This is what we are going to do today. This is the script we were using in the last video. It has the form of the standard add-on. There is BL info at the beginning, and it also has the register and the unregister function. The part that actually does dynamically change the text is the meta text handler. This function loops all the strips and checks each of them is the text strip. When it is the text strip, it is comparing the strip name with the special string. If the name is at metadata frame or at metadata time, the text will be changed of our intention. But why did I choose these special strings? It's just something of my mood. Of course, you can set it to any other value of your own mood. So, if this function could be learned before the start of each frame rendering, we would get the result we want. In Blender, we can register a callback function that is executed when a specific event is raised. We call it a handler in Blender. Let's append the handler in the register function. Each of these is the handler, and this is the callback function. So, open the callback function like this. According to the official document, all handlers are deleted when Blender reads the project file. Therefore, in order not to annoy installing the add-on every time again, makes the callback function has a persistent property. That's all for the review of the script. Installing this add-on, adding a text strip and changing its name to a specified string, then we can see metadata on the video. For detailed steps for using this add-on, please refer to the previous video. What do you think about today's topic? Changing video content dynamically is a very scalable technique. For example, I think it can be used to make a subtitle more efficiently. And the last, I'm making this video to improve my English speaking. If you have anything or something about my English speaking, please let me know. Then, see you next time. Bye.